Signing with Sensation Station. My name is Annabel and I'm a speech and language therapist. Today we're going to learn the signs for the nursery rhyme Row, Row, Row Your Boat. The first sign you need to know, of course, is boat. We're going to put our hands into a V shape and bring them forward. Boats. Boats. The next sign I want to show you is row. So you're going to move your hands backwards and forwards, just like that. And if you're sat on the floor with your child, you can actually hold hands and row that boat backwards and forwards together. In the second verse, we rock the boat. So we're going to go from side to side, rock, rock, rock your boat. Okay, in the second verse, we see a crocodile. So the sign for see, you use your index finger of your dominant hand, bring it up to your eye. If you see, I see. Okay, and the final sign, if you haven't already guessed, is crocodile. Just gonna clap our hands just like that, like a crocodile's mouth. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Rock, rock, rock your boat gently down the stream. And if you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah! Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Thanks for signing and singing with me. See you next time. Bye.